Alright, so hi everyone, it's Carly, and I just got home from school and I had the bagel place, which is my favorite to eat. So, yeah, I'm up in my bedroom now, and I'm kind of starting to get ready right now for the Bedford game. And I'm really sorry if you don't like me being in the intro every single day. It's just after school, we need to start filming for the day. And my brothers are always at football, so we cannot really do that unless they don't have football, because they don't get home from football till like an hour after I get home. So yeah, I usually am going to start the intros till football season after school is over. So just to let you guys know, today is the whiteout. If you have no idea what a whiteout is, if like you're not in junior high or you don't go to the football games, the whiteout, I don't know if this is at anyone else's school. I don't know if this is at anyone else's school, but at our school it's called the whiteout. And basically everyone dresses up in white, obviously, and usually they have t-shirts. Here's the t-shirt, and it has the team that we're facing, and it has the team that we are. Last year it was SWAT something, I don't know, but last year it was a different team. So yeah, and the whiteout is like the best game. Like literally, even if people don't even go to Bedford, like a lot of people go to the whiteout. That's like the most popular game we have. So if you go to my school, then I will be at the games. So talking about Josie and Courtney, they are coming over and we are having a little sleigh ball walk. Yeah, this was planned when I thought I was getting my cast off, but I'm not, so. Alright, so right now Josie's at volleyball. If you guys didn't know, I could not try out for volleyball because I had my cast on, so I missed tryouts, but oh well, but I do dance, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to do volleyball, and next year I might do cheer. So see you guys, my arm. But see you guys later when Josie and Courtney get here. Bye.
So Chase is home from school now. Is this how you go to school, Chase? Shirtless Chase? Because that's how everybody knows you. How was your first week of school?
Boring.
What, the whole thing was boring?
Yeah.
You didn't like any of it?
It was boring and hot.
Yeah, it has been hot all week. It's supposed to cool down next week, hopefully. So, do you like all your teachers, or? Yeah? You're a man of so many words.
Mm-hmm.
What's for dinner?
Mm-hmm.
You're eating it. I went and bought bagels.
Oh.
Silly. Are you going to the game?
Yeah.
Are you going down on the field or sitting in the bleachers?
Bleachers.
Bleachers with friends? Or walking around being Mr. Cool?
I'm not allowed to walk around.
Oh, you're not?
No.
That's crazy. That's all we did is when we were teenagers is walked around at football games. We had the whole path. We walked across the bleachers, we walked underneath the bleachers, across the bleachers, underneath. It was like I went to football games for social time. I did not go to football games to watch the game when I was in high school.
What are you doing? I'm sweating.
Yeah, that's what people do when it's hot outside. So Ken got a light for Carly's golf cart. Not a light. What is this called? A mirror.
Yeah, hold that right
A mirror for her golf cart.
Hold that up there.
So we can see what's behind us.
Got it?
I got it.
Hold the whole thing.
Oh, I can't hold the whole thing. I got my end.
Well, I need my left hand here.
Well, I need my left hand.
Pick that up.
You got the screw.
Pick it up and put it right on top of that. Get in your home.
Are you crying?
Oh no. I'm gonna be here.
What are you doing?
Went under the car.
Oh my
Sorry.
god.
Get it. I got it.
Mm-hmm.
This is what happens when you film. It never goes just like you want.
Everything was going good until I grabbed the camera.
Well, I wouldn't go that far.
So I am putting more mascara on. Oops. I always mess that up. I never filled my eyebrows in.
Do you go to watch the football game?
No.
What do you go for?
No one goes to watch the football game.
No one at all? Not even the parents?
Well, yeah, you guys do. Do high schoolers stand up the entire game?
Yep. You have that to look forward to.
Oh, man.
You should probably pat down some of your
Gosh.
flyaways.
Yeah, I know I'm not there yet either.
You look like you just woke up.
I probably did. No, I didn't. I need more coffee.
Coffee? You don't even drink coffee.
I'm going to tomorrow. What is this?
Eyeliner?
Ew. Okay.
Use the hairspray.
See, I bring the flyaways down from right here. So there's a little bit of hair right there, but I don't bring them up from up here and stuff. Boop, boop. See, it only looks good when, Courtney, you asked how does my picture look like that. Only if you cover the ear with the hair. Okay. It does look good. Told you so. But, I'm going to the football game right now. Here's Courtney. Here's Josie. The only one wearing a bandana. And everyone literally at the game, all my friends just try to sit next to me. And then, at the last game we were so crowded, so we moved and everyone followed us and came and sat over there.
We were trying to get a spot where there was no people.
Yeah, and we couldn't fit, and there was no people over there, so we moved, and every single person sitting next to us followed.
You guys should wear disguises the next game.
Put like a Donald Trump mask on. We would get punched. Okay, so see you later.
There's Karli.
All right, so the game is tied up. We're in overtime. We just scored and we're going for 2 to win it right here. This is crazy. It takes a lot of guts.
It's blurry. My eyes look like they were crooked for a minute. Like one of them was up here. Alright guys, so we just got done with the game and we got some food. So the game was actually really fun. But there was actually 5 quarters. Because the game ended up tied at the 4th quarter. So they added a 5th quarter and
the game-winning play was amazing.
Yeah, I know.
I'm sure you didn't even see it.
Yeah, I know. Wait, what happened?
Oh yeah,
the quarterback threw it, like he almost got tackled. He kept like juking left and right trying to get away.
And then everyone stood up in the stands and raced.
Yeah,
oh yeah.
And he threw the ball and it looked like he was just throwing it like garbage and someone caught it.
Oh my god.
It was amazing that someone caught it. Like it was a Christmas miracle.
Who caught it?
I don't know, a football player.
Oh my god.
Alright, so we got some McDonald's and we are heading home.
Now.
Yeah, after every football game, we've gotten McDonald's, so yeah.
All right, we got nighttime pool cover operation going on. We're trying to batten down the hatches because the storm's coming in tonight.
How long do you think we've had this pool?
Since 2002.
So, it's been 14 years?
14 years.
14 years, and we still cannot get the cover on.
Why?
Every time it's folded up in a ball, and every time it takes us forever to put it on.
You're doing all right. Smells good.
It smells like the last time you're going to see it open, so you better...
This actually, you better quit your complaining because it's probably going to get closed next week.
I will. It's not supposed to get hot next week again.
We got to have our family swim off.
Oh yeah, when's next week?
Come on, Chase, unwind this thing. Help him out. No, don't do that with your foot. Unravel it. If I drop this camera in the pool, your mom will kill me.
It'll make good footage, though.
It'll make wet footage.
a job, what a job.
Good job, fellas. Show me your shirt. What's it say on the back? Number 18.
Yep.
So tell us about your day.
I worked.
And then?
I worked some more.
And then?
I took the kids to school.
What's your favorite number?
18.
What's your favorite color?
Pink.
What's your favorite sports team?
Bedford Mules. I could care less about sports.
Who's your favorite child?
Carly's my favorite youngest daughter. Chase is my favorite youngest son. Andrew's my favorite oldest. And Blake is my favorite.
Good answer. Who's your favorite dog?
Tori. She's cute and little, and I like little dogs.
But look how ugly she is.
I know. That's why
Look
I
at
like
her.
her so much, because she's so ugly. So
She's
you just
so
have to
dirty.
Feel sorry for her.
Look at she's panting. She's waiting for food.
Saster. Saster and Tori.
She's waiting for food. Shaggy's eating food.
She wants to go up in her bed, don't she?
Nope. She wants to go to
To
bed.
go on night. You think? Come on.
Nope, she doesn't.
All right, so we're gonna use our jar.
Jar?
We're gonna use our. Oh, what are you doing? We're gonna use our jar that Stacy sent to us.
Stacy? Stacy N?
I'm not gonna bother Carly again because she's up in her room with her friends.
Here. Okay.
Ooh, this is a good one.
By the way, Bacon.
I've never asked this question before. Would you give up watching television or listening to music?
Well, that's easy.
Really?
I
That's
don't know.
hard.
That is kind of hard. I'd give up watching television.
I would give up music.
What?
Yeah,
I'd give up watching television.
because I really like Big Brother.
You only watch like two
The
shows?
Bachelor. I
Oh.
would die without The Bachelor.
No, you wouldn't.
Yes, I would.
Eventually,
Do you know how
someday.
many seasons of The Bachelor have been on?
Do you know actually someday it's going to go off the
Do you
air?
know how many seasons are? Here's a question: which has there been more of, seasons of Big Brother or seasons of The Bachelor?
Seasons of Survivor.
Yes, that's correct.
What?
But what about those two?
Who?
Big Brother or The Bachelor?
The Bachelor by far.
Yeah.
Big Brother's only once a year. Bachelor's twice a year.
Yeah. Interesting. But I would give up music. So let us know in the comments below which one you would give up. Thumbs up our video and subscribe. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Go Mules. 3-0. You look like Richard Nixon. Do you know who Richard Nixon is?
President?
Yep. I'm not a crook.
Which would you give up? Watching TV or listening to music?
Watching to music.
Watching TV. I never watch TV.
Me either.
Except for Netflix. So actually, I don't
Yeah,
know. I listen to
music.
music all the time, though.
Still, you can get music on TV.
No, you have to give up.
No,
watching.
you can't listen to music.
You can't listen to it ever.
Probably TV then. I don't know, because then you can't dance.
Yep.
So TV.
Okay. Good night.
Bye.